What's the meaning of carpal? Carpal. Carpal.
Carpal. Carpal. The term carpal refers to the 8 small bones that make up the wrist joint in the human body. These bones are arranged in 2 rows and provide stability and flexibility to the wrist. The carpal bones also serve as attachment points for ligaments and tendons that connect the hand and arm muscles. Injuries or conditions that affect the carpal bones can cause pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility in the wrist and hand. Common examples of such conditions include carpal tunnel syndrome, arthritis, and fractures of the wrist bones.